So right now I'm standing at NCB guest house here in South Mumbai at the Gateway of India. You can see this is the NCB guest house where from past 3 to 4 days NCB is calling people who are involved or who have got any kind of connection with the drug case. So today basically NCB has summoned 4 people. Madhu Mantena Verma, who's a film producer, Dhruv, who's a CEO of Con, Jaya Shah, who's a senior executive in Con, and also Shruti Modi. These people have been summoned by NCB related to the drugs. Also, the Karishma, who's also senior executive in Con talent management firm, she has been also summoned. But Karishma had requested NCB for the exemption as her health is not good, and that's why she will be. And she has mentioned that she will be able to join the probe post 25th of this month. So right now, just few minutes back, Madhu Mantena had gone inside, and you can see this is the guest house of the NCB, where NCB is basically NCB officials are operating. You can see the second floor on this building, second floor. Basically, NCB SIT team sits and they conduct the inquiry, also questioning why Madhu Mantena, Jaya Shah or Dhruv have been called or summoned by NCB. So NCB is basically investigating a drug angle. They're basically investigating 2 aspects. One angle is Sushant Singh Rajput case, and second angle is the drug cartel which is operating in Mumbai or in Bollywood. So in connection with the drug case, now they have been summoned because while investigating, NCB had found that all these people were chatting on WhatsApp, and they were basically talking about either procuring of drugs or just having a discussion about it from where they can procure. So we have been given to understand that NCB has got some concrete links about these people where they have basically showed intention to procure drugs, or basically talked about the drugs as well as their procurement and consumption. So regarding that, on the basis of WhatsApp chats, on the basis of the statements recorded by the statements recorded by the people or the drug peddlers who have been arrested. If you remember that Anuj Keswani was one of the drug peddlers who was arrested by the NCB, and he revealed few names. That's what NCB had told earlier. So on the basis of such statements recorded by NCB, all these people have been caught. There is a common connection between these people. All of them are basically related to the Bollywood. Madhu Mantena Verma is a Bollywood producer. If we talk about Jaya Shah, she is a talent manager, and basically she's a talent manager for the many Bollywood celebrities. Same with Karishma. Karishma is also a talent manager in Con, and she's also associated with the Bollywood celebrities, especially if we talk about Deepika Padukone. She handles her account. So all these people who have been summoned, including Dhruv. Dhruv is a CEO of a talent management company. So all these people have a same or we can say a similar link, that is a Bollywood. And as I said, that NCB, when they arrived, they were having 2 basically motives. One is to basically investigate the Sushant Singh case, and second is to investigate the Bollywood and drug cartel. So in that connection, now these people have been summoned, and today the questioning will go on. We have been also given to understand that if Jaya Shah, Shruti Modi turns up today, because it's raining heavily in suburban part of Mumbai, including in Mumbai city also. But if they and waterlogging has taken place at many locations. So if they come today, then there is a chance that a joint interrogation will happen, where all of them will be asked to sit in one room opposite each other, and then NCB will ask them set of questions, and if they find any kind of a discrepancy in it, then on those discrepancies the NCB will question them further. So as of now, Madhu Mantena Verma has arrived, and it is expected that other people may also arrive. But what we have been given to understand by the sources within the NCB, if due to a heavy rain and waterlogging situation in Mumbai at many places, if those people who have been summoned they don't turn up, then NCB may restart the investigation of the probe or the questioning tomorrow, that is on 24th of this month. So as of now, as I said, Madhu Mantena Verma has arrived. He has just gone inside a few minutes back, and the investigation or the probe or the questioning of Madhu Mantana Verma will start soon. Mayuresh Ganpate reporting from Mumbai for Mirror Now.